Hello everyone, I am Rahul, and if you are using the Chatgpt every day, then you have to look these 5 AI free tools that is better than the Chatgpt. Yes, you heard right. So these 5 AI tools will definitely replace the Chatgpt, and it's very useful for you to day life. So watch this full video to the end, and if you really like this video, subscribe to my channel. So this AI tool is very much important for the developers and coders who are trying to write a code and they are struggling to write the code or complete the particular code to achieve the particular task. So the AI tool name called Codium will help you to complete your code. Whatever the functions or methods you are writing, the Codium will understand what you are trying to complete the functions or achieve the particular things. Codium will understand and complete the code for you, so you don't need to worry about the learning the new code or searching the solution for it. Codium will take care. And this is completely free AI tool, so it will help you to increase your productivity, and you can just check out. I drop all the AI tools link in the description. Go and try it. So this second AI tool called 11 Labs will completely blow your mind. You have to just speak for 2 to 3 minutes and upload on their applications, and whatever you enter into the text, it will convert the text into your speech with the tone, and you are unable to detect whether it's a fake or it's a real. So go and check out that applications. It's called 11 Labs. And if you are worry about that AI will take your job, then this AI tool will scare you more, because right now in around the world there are a lot of AI research was going on, and recently Microsoft also working on the technology called Valet-E, on the same technology like voice text to white conversion and all. So yeah, this AI tool again is free and you can check it out. So this AI tool are very interesting for the students and everyone who want to learn the concept from the big size books. Yes, you heard right. So this AI tool called Hamanta, which help you to understand any concept from your book. So only thing you need to do, upload your PDF of a book, and you can ask any question to this AI tool regarding the from the books. That AI tool will return you some summary from pointers, anything, any answer from the books which you uploaded. So try out this particular AI tool, and again it's a free. You can try it and let me know in the comment section whether that particular AI tool will help you to study study any particular concept from your book. So the next AI tool is called Blue Willow. So this particular AI tool is a alternative to Midjourney. You all know in Midjourney you can process up to 25 images, and after that you have to pay it, right? So Blue Willow is the perfect and free solution for to alternate for the Midjourney, where you can write any text and it will generate the image for you. So again, it's much more powerful than Midjourney, and right now it's completely free, so you can try out, and you can post the images in the comment or on my Instagram channel or in my Telegram channel. You can follow that one, and whatever the images you generated from your thinking, from your text, you can tag me on Instagram, and I will like to share with you guys again on our channel. So guys, I hope you like all the AI tools, and I hope you like this video as well. So if you really like this video, please subscribe to my channel, press like button, okay, and share with your friends and family. So we'll see you next time in next video.